welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 170th Street. Today I have a 2025 Lexus LCV Convertible in Caviar. This is the performance package. Under the hood you have a 5-liter V8 engine producing 471 horsepower. This vehicle comes with triple LED headlamps, 21-inch forged alloy staggered wheels, and keyless entry into the vehicle. On your door panel, you have your memory seats, power windows, side mirrors, and door lock. Beside your steering wheel, you have your gas and trunk button. You have black leather interior throughout, as well as a 10-way power driver's seat. You have easy access into your back seat. You have a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, as well as an LFA instrument cluster. You have a heads-up display. To the left, you have your traction control, and to the right is your mode selector. You have a touchscreen infotainment center with your radio, media, navigation, and climate controls. You also have Lexus interface where you can say, "Hey Lexus," and request any command. You have your manual climate controls, a cup holder, your panoramic view monitor, as well as your volume controls. Your gear shifter, heated seat options for your front seats. You have your controls to put your top down. Above, you have your SOS button as well as your lights. You have your center console. In your trunk, you have extra space for tools, as well as your battery. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton, where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.